welcome back to RC Math Helper. Today we're going to be doing multiply using groups of objects. Okay, so let's get started. Use the following images to find the total number of cheeseburgers. Okay, so the total number of cheeseburgers, so it's 7 groups of 3 or 7 times 3. So so they say that 7 times 3, it might be hard, so you have to do 7, 3, 7, something like that. But what you can actually do is just draw 7 groups of 3. So if it's 3 times 7, you can draw 3 groups of 7 burgers in them. So, but if it's 7 times 3, you can draw 7 groups with 3 burgers inside them. So the first thing you can do is count 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. But if you're actually good at multiplication, you can just do 7 times 3. But beginners count all of them so you can know. So 3, and then, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So you might get confused like that because it's a circle. Because it's not 24, it's 21. So that's why if you're gonna get confused, I suggest you actually just make an array, something that's more easier than doing groups. But you can always do groups, but you can have like a pencil needed, so you actually touched them. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. See, it's hard. You might lose your track or something. So an array is like, so 7 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You put 1, 2, 3, you go like that. So, so there's going to be 3 here and then 7 here. So then you can count the whole array and you won't get mixed up because it's an array. But if you're going to use this, see 3 and then 3, so 3 plus 3 is 6, and then 6 plus 3, keep on going like that. Like, if you're going to use this, don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, going like that, but actually go like 3, then 3 plus 3 is 6, and you'll know what 3 times 2 is. So if you do that, you'll actually remember what it is. So yeah, the answer is 21. So yeah. Oh, and then this is the same thing. Oh, yeah, I totally forgot to mention this. So you can always do this. So there's a total number of sharks, so there's 10 times 3. So you can always write 10 threes and add them all together. You can do that too, instead of an array. This sounds easier. So 10 times 3 is 30. It might be a long count because it's up to 30. But so you can do this. But so you can write the whole thing out. That would be also the thing. Oh yeah, so it's another way to say it is 3 4s. So there's 3 4s. So you can like make 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you just write 3 4 times. So 3 plus 3 plus 3, like 4 times. So like you did for 10. So it's going to be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And just find that out. So add 3 plus 3, which is 6, and then add this 3 plus 3, which is also 6. So put this in parentheses, and parentheses might look weird, but when something's in parentheses, you add that first, and then you add so you add this parenthesis first, and you add this parenthesis first, then you add them both together. So 6 and 6, and then you add them together equals 12. So the answer will be 12. So this is also an easy way to do it. Well, I like also using parentheses because they're actually organizing like 4 groups of 10. Might sound crazy, but 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. You just do that like 10 times, and then you like split them into groups of 2. Okay, and then just put like add signs, and then just keep on doing that. So that would be more easier. And a trick I did on another video is anything times by 10, just add a 0. So like if it's 4 times 10. So just put a 4 here and put a 10 here, a 0 here, and it'll be 40. So that's going to be the answer for like anything with a 10. So that's another great way to just do 10. So yeah, like what I meant. So do parentheses here, parentheses here, parentheses here, parentheses here, parentheses here. But if it's something like an ordinary number, It's like an ordinary number, like just like what 3 times 2. You don't have to do that. So 3 times 2 is 3, 2 times. So it's gonna be 3 plus 3. You know that. So you don't have to you don't have to expand it out like this. So what they're doing here is called expanded form. Oh yeah, 6 times 5 is, and like 5 times is like always like 5, 10, 15, 20. So like you can go like that 6 times. So you can hold out your finger, go like, so for one finger 5, then another finger 10, and when you go to 5 fingers, that'll be 25 because it's 5 times 5, and then you can always do that. You can do that like with your fingers. This is a great way you can do that. So you don't have to just use your hand for adding. You can actually do it for multiplying too, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, like that. It's a great way to do that. Okay, so 9 fours. Okay, so 9 times 4. So a trick in the 9 tables, there's usually a trick in every table. I don't know all of them like known, but like 9 table is like it's gonna be 9 and 18. So me and my friends discovered this. So what happens is that this side gets bigger, this side gets smaller. So it's gonna be I know it's gonna be 27 and 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is gonna be 36. So you can use that tactic. And I always am giving my thanks to Khan Academy for making this great site so you can like draw and you can like get better at math. Oh, 8 times 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So you can do that with your fingers. 2 fingers and 2 fingers, 4, and then 2 fingers, 2 fingers. So yeah, you can do that. So this is up to 16. So look at this. So 8 and then 16 and then you go on, but either way is just like, so 2 plus 2 plus 2, you can go like that, or you can go like 8 plus 8, and then you'll get more better. I suggest you start off with lower numbers like 2 plus 2 even, and then plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that's how you get better. So bye everyone, I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.